Oh, you come out again now. What are you doing? Right, so here we are. Trying to find a spot. I can't find a spot where there's no people because they keep talking to you, type of things. I just want to do this quick update video, questions and answers. So 1st of June today. I think we're coming out of lockdown here in the UK. So let's see what happens there. Right, so it's bloody hot here. I've got a rum and coke on the go, and it is 5:15 in the evening here in the UK. Lovely day. Actually filmed some footage of the garden earlier with Tilly, Astro Cat, aka Astro Cat, wandering about the place. So anyway, the questions and answers video for today is seem to be having a lot of feedback on some older concrete videos, and I think I said before, maybe in the last video when we were talking about fairy liquid, washing up liquid in your concrete mix, so you can go and check that out if you want to. But in this video we'll talk about what concrete mix I use when I'm making concrete statuary and concrete slabs and all that malarkey. So this is in relation to obviously the concrete videos, and I haven't done any concrete in for a long time, or casting. I was going to do some this year because I spent last year making quite a few moulds because of the coronavirus thing. I didn't bother ordering any cement, so we'll probably, with a bit of luck, do some casting a little bit later on, maybe into the summer. So anyway, the question is, which I get asked quite a lot, frequently asked question, FAQ, is how do I mix my concrete? What are the quantities, the ratios, etc., etc. So I use pretty much a standard mix. Mostly I use 1 cement, 2 sand, 2 aggregate, plus some PVA bonder and some washing up liquid or plasticizer, sorry. But sometimes I use a 3-2-1 mix, which will be 3 aggregate, 2 sand and 1 cement, but not very often. Tends to be a drier mix, but it's okay. But I suppose to be on the safe side, you're probably better off with 2-2-1, 2 aggregate, 2 sand, 1 cement. Like I say, PVA bonder and some washing up liquid, and I think that's all I use. Or washing up liquid, I should say, or washing up liquid or plasticizer. And I have been using plasticizer a lot more on the last few concrete batches, which has been quite a time now. So that's about it for this. We'll just leave it there for just one question on this update video for June the 1st, and hopefully get on with a few projects throughout June this month. Did a couple of live streams last month, but haven't really been too productive since the coronavirus thing. So hopefully we'll start being a bit productive and get a few more projects on the go and videos to go alongside them as well. So there we are. Hope you're having fun and hope all is well with everybody, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, and over and out for now.